Are you struggling to keep your Scrapy program running in the background on Ubuntu? It can be frustrating when you want to multitask, but your terminal just won't cooperate. Stick around, because today we're going to solve this issue together. I totally get it. You're trying to run a Scrapy spider, and every time you hit Ctrl+Z, it closes the connection. That's not just annoying, it can really disrupt your workflow. You're definitely not alone in facing this challenge. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Why can't I run my Scrapy program in the background without losing the connection?" This is a common issue for many users, and today we'll explore some effective workarounds. So what's happening here? When you press Ctrl+Z, it sends the process to the background, but it also stops it. This is why your spider connection drops. Understanding this is key to finding a solution. And don't go anywhere. I have a fantastic workaround that will allow you to run your Scrapy program in the background without losing your connection. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. To run a Scrapy program in the background without losing the connection, the user can utilize a terminal multiplexer like Screen or tmux. First, let's install tmux if it isn't already installed. Once tmux is installed, the user should start a new tmux session. This can be done by typing tmux in the terminal. This will create a new session where the user can run their Scrapy command. Now the user can run their Scrapy spider within this tmux session. For example, they can execute the command Scrapy crawl spider name to start the spider. If the user wants to detach from the tmux session and leave the spider running in the background, they can press Ctrl+B, then D. This will detach the session without stopping the spider. To reattach to the tmux session later, the user can type tmux attach in the terminal. This will bring them back to the session where the spider is still running. Fun fact, the name Scrapy comes from the idea of scraping data from the web, but it also sounds like a playful way to say, let's get to work. So, let's get to work on fixing your issue. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests running your Scrapy spider in the background using specific commands. If you want to keep the logs, use the command scrapy crawl myspider /path to logfile.txt 2-in-1n. If you prefer to dismiss the logs, you can use scrapy crawl myspider /devnull 2-in-1. Now let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative solution provided by a user is to use the screen command. This allows you to run one or more tasks in the background without losing your spider connection. Here's a pro tip. Always check your running processes with the PS command to ensure your Scrapy spider is still active in the background. This way, you can monitor its progress without needing to keep the terminal open. And there you have it. You can now run your Scrapy program in the background without losing your connection. Remember, using no-hup or terminal multiplexers like Screen or tmux can save you a lot of hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.